Okay, so power off. Okay, do not show this icon again. After that, go to the VMware player. Then we're going to change the virtual machine setting. Yeah, the first is you're going to okay, first identify where is the hard disk of this located. Yeah, so go to the manage virtual machine setting. Okay, yeah, so this is the hard disk located under C user Suryanto documents virtual machine CentOS. Yeah. Okay, so if you're Linux, then you go to the folder where this VM this is stored. Yeah. Users, after that this one, and then what is the location again? Documents virtual machine, and then CentOS. Yeah. Okay, this is the virtual hard disk file, the VMDK. Yeah. About the 1.8. Yeah. Although the actual size is just now we provision 20 GB. Yeah. This is the size. Okay, then you change this size. Yeah. This one. Okay, size, current size, advanced, compact. Okay, advanced. This is the controller. Okay, how to edit? Can we edit in the VMware workstation? In the VMware player? Expand. Yeah. Okay. This one. 30 GB. Okay, click expand. Successfully expand. Okay, so it will get a few VMDK, but small one. Yeah. But not the actually expanding the 10 gig more. Yeah, no, because it will grow. That's the thing. Yeah. Okay, and then after that you change the processor to 16. Yeah. Okay, cannot. Yeah, it does not allow you. Okay, choose the one of this technology. Yeah, for example, Intel VTX. Yeah, AMD V or okay, just research what the difference between this. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So allow you the 16. Okay. Let's try. Click OK. Yeah. Fail because configured to use more virtual processor core than the host support. Yeah. Okay. So what is the host support? Yeah. Go to the MS info 32. This is my system information. Yeah. In the hardware, in the components. Yeah. Processor. Okay, or just go to the task manager. Yeah, Windows task manager or a top. Yeah, in the Linux. Yeah, then you will see this processes. Yeah, CPU. Wait. CPU. Yeah. So the CPU. No. So resource monitor. Yeah. In a window, the name is a resource monitor. So it show you how many CPU that you have. Okay. Yeah. CPU 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 CPU. Started with the 0 because my one is a quad core. Yeah, sorry, dual core. Yeah, dual core and hyper threading. Dual core or quad core, I forgot. Yeah. Okay, so that's the CPU. Yeah, total. This is individually different CPU. 2 cores. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This one socket 1, and then a core 2, and then logical 4. Yeah, because enable for the hyper threading. Okay, this is the information. Yeah. So you cannot create the VM with a 16 CPU, cannot, yeah, because exceeding, yeah. Okay. Then what is the instruction just now? Ask you to 4 GB to 1 GB, yeah, cannot, yeah, what happened? Okay, return back to 1 CPU. Okay, so just 1 CPU, and then after that the memory changed to the 1 GB. Okay, click OK. Then after that yeah, I'm recording this. Okay, you do the research, the difference between the CPU just now, yeah. Please check, then explain why it is the best one. So this put in the report, yeah. For example, just now in the manage, you have the Intel VXT, and then after that yeah, virtualize the CPU performance counter, yeah, virtualize the IOMMU memory management, yeah, the virtualization engine. So you go to the this VMware. Okay, done, yeah. Oh, still 99%. VMware CPU virtualization engine. Okay. This one, yeah. uh, this one IOMMU. Select these features to provide the Intel visualization technology for direct I/O, yeah, for the virtual machine. So this is normally when your host has some big VM like running Oracle. You want to your host not only run one or two VM. Then you want to assign all the hardware resources for this VM. They use the IOMMU. Yeah. Okay, directed I/O is like this. So in the server, you have the input output. Yeah, this is the virtual machine. This is hypervisor, and then the virtual machine will be using the hypervisor, and then after that through this network, yeah, and then after that go to the physical network. Okay, so in the direct I/O is basically you want to bypass the virtual machine from going through the hypervisor, yeah, to access the external resources. Okay, so instead of using this normal way, then it will be able to access the network directly, yeah, and then after that access. That's the direct I/O, yeah. So it gives you the capability of assigning the shortcut, yeah, or the shorter way for the virtual machine to do the very huge data transfer, for example, yeah, without burdening the host, yeah, for the unnecessary overhead. Yeah, Ben, that's the explanation, yeah, for the direct I/O bypassing the hypervisor. Okay, so for this comparisons, yeah, you can look at this website, yeah. Let me put that in the chat box, yeah. Okay, now let's look at this, yeah. Back to this one, yeah. Okay, Then after that click OK. After that what we need to do is to right click, copy, and then right click empty space and paste. This should now create a VM copy. Yeah, rename this folder to the v1. Now go to the terminal and type VM player again to start another instance of the software. Then file, open virtual machine, select your new VM, and then open. Yeah. Okay. So from the VM0 you want to create the VM1 by copying the virtual machine file. Yeah. I think because we don't have a clone in the VMware player. If you have the VMware player clone, you can do that directly. Yeah. After you have created all the VM, rename them in the VMware player home window. Yeah. V0 net, V1 bridge, V2 host only, V3 custom. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. So then you change the setting. Okay. Let's do that. Yeah. So go back to this this one. Yeah. Just now V0. Yeah. Then right click. After that new folder. You name it V1, and then a new folder, create a V2, new folder, we create a V3. Okay. Okay, your VM is currently connecting to the outside world using the net. Yeah, write down IP address, default gateway, and DNS. Okay, so let's do that. Power on the VM. Yes, Ben. Your current setting for your VM. Yes. Now I already changed to 1 GB already. From the 4 GB already changed to 1 GB. Yes, 1 GB and 1 processor, correct. If your system does not have too much, yeah, then you can also decrease there. But because we can overcommit. Okay, yeah. So can we look for the favorite accommodation internet system tools? Okay, open terminal. Okay, this is exam question. If config, yeah. What is the command to display the network setting? Yeah, if config. And then check the IP address. Yeah, so the one that looks like working. Yeah, so ping. Yeah, 8.8.8.8. This is to test the network connection to the internet. Yeah, so the server 8888 is a DNS belong to Google. Yeah, so currently I can connect. Yeah, because my setting is net. Yeah. Okay, then after that, if you want to see the route, yeah, trace route, yeah, go to the this IP address, trace route, yeah, trace cert, yeah, trace cert. What is the command, yeah, in Linux? Trace route. It is. Okay, yeah, trace route. So the IP that assigned locally is this, yeah. The gateway is 192.168.2.114.2. Okay, 114.2. Okay, so this is your IP address. This is interface, and then this is the bridge. Because by default we perform the bridging. Yeah, the setting is a bridge. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the manage setting in the network or net. Yeah. Okay, so doing the net. Okay, but yeah, just now we have the IP address and also the IP and also the DNS and gateway. Yeah. Through the if config. Okay, this is the IP address. Yeah. And then the DNS server is the netmask broadcast. This is the broadcast IP, and the gateway is just now, yeah, dot 2. The MAC address, everything is here. Okay. Now you're going to copy, yeah. So let's shut down bus, and we're going to copy this to create 3 more. So the one that I'm creating is based on 1 gig and 1 processor. Yeah, Farah. Yeah, that's correct. No problem. Yeah. So just no need to create too big. Yeah, just a small. Okay, no problem. It's only to practice the networking. Yeah, sure, no problem. Ben, rewind back. Yeah, okay. Wait, yeah. Let me just complete this one first. So we open again the another instance of the VMware workstation, because the VMware workstation only can open one single VM. So we open the second instance and then add the VM. Yeah. So create a new virtual machine, or the open virtual machine. Open, and go to the just now see users, and then document, and then virtual machine. This one V1. Yeah. This one is you rename it. Sorry. Which one? The V0 and V1. Yeah. Rename. Yeah. V0. Rename V1. Okay. After that, home. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's rename following this. Yes, I'm recording this when. Yeah, okay, good. So it is recorded. Yeah, you see that currently is there is a green square, yeah, blinking. Okay, v0 is net the bridge host only custom. Yeah, net bridge host only custom. Sorry, this one is okay. So in the bridge, we edit the setting, change the network to bridge. Okay, after that, in the two host only, yeah. So that's why if you do it too fast, then later you forget. Yeah, so I just give you the recording. So in case you forget, then you can take the screenshot from here. Custom. Okay, yeah. So you create like this. Yeah? Then here you run the virtual machine. Then you will document the new IP address. Okay, give me a second, guys. Okay, so we power on the net. I copy. Cannot connect to the virtual device IDE 0 because not connected. Yep. Oh, okay. Let me show you again the virtual machine folder. This one. Yeah. So if you put in the D, that's right. Just you follow the PDF here. 0, 1, 2, 3. There are 4 VM. Kair. For the VM, it is a thin, so it will not. Yeah, one VM is about. Let me see the size here. About 5 GB, one VM. So the space is about 5 GB. Yeah. So if I right-click the folder and then properties, yeah, is about the 5 GB. Yeah, so depends on if you break the virtual disk, yeah, small like this, then you have up to the 9 virtual disks. This one is small file. 16 item. Okay, can. Okay, good. So this is the V0 net, yeah, and you can open again another VMware player to start the second one. This is a V0, yeah, V none, yeah. Let's run the V1. Yes, correct. I just copy, yeah, copy everything. Yeah, thank you. So once you start playing or starting the multiple virtual machine, then maybe the speed is a bit slower. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at the network setting. This one, yeah. DNS and then the router and also the IP version address. This is a V0, yeah, the net, yeah. So this one is a V1. So we need to rename the host. you can use a command or you can use the GUI to display the setting. That's okay. Yeah. Okay. This is the bridge. Yeah. Okay. This is looking for the getting the IP from the local area network. Which is not able to get the IP address. Okay, yeah. Then let's open again another one. The V2, yeah, host only. Just wait a while. Okay, so let's open the system tools. Go to the setting. Okay, yeah, 1 and 2, 168, 114, 128. How do you change the host name for the rest of V1, V2, V3? Okay, so for renaming in the VMware player is just open then rename, yeah. But inside you can also use the host name and also use the GUI, yeah. So here in the if you want to use the system tools, then you can go to the wait, sharing sound network. Okay, devices. So there is a file name etc hostname. Yeah. Go to the system tools. Okay, so cd slash etc, and then after that hostname h. Okay, this one, yeah. So look at the Vim hostname. Okay, this is the name, yeah. You can change to the, for example, go to the insert, yeah, we rename to the fee, this one, what fee, fee2, yeah, fee2, then a dot Ryan domain, yeah. Okay, so that's the fee2 Ryan domain. Then escape, after that colon WQ. This is to in the Vim, this is the write and quit, yeah? Okay, cannot write because we need to do the open using the sudo, yeah. Okay, so open the system tool terminal. Yeah, shift I to insert, yeah. So sudo, this is exam question, yeah. Sudo vim and then hostname slash etc hostname. Okay, sudo for local user, localhost 1. Okay, wait, yeah. Forward slash, yeah. Local user is not in the sudo response. This incident will be reported. Okay, let's v2 escape. Okay, looks like I need to change the user first, yeah? Okay, try, yeah. Thank you. Okay. Should be okay now. Add this colon WQ question mark. Yeah. Okay. So host name. Okay, I think have to change the if up if config if up ans33. Okay. Yeah, okay. So cannot just uh, system. Okay, wait. The command I forgot the some. One moment. Uh, yep. Systemctl reboot init 6. Okay, let's do the yeah, surely, Ben, no problem. Yeah, this video is recorded. Then just repeat again. Yeah. Still trial and error because we have some setting, but the next time we redo again should be more easier. Okay. Now let's try to rename this host v0 using the command. Yeah. Just now was using the GUI, but we will try to use the command. Yeah. So the command is a system hostname CTL. Yeah. So go to the system tools. After that, terminal. Okay. Then su. Okay. This time use the hostname CTL. First, you want to display hostname CTL. After that, minus f. Sorry, hostname CTL. What is the command? Minus s. Oh, hostname. Yeah, just hostname. Yeah. So the hostname. Okay. Yeah, this is the current name. Yeah, you're going to change. Yeah, using the command hostname CTL, and then after that, follow by the name. Set the hostname. Okay, the follow name is your new hostname. Yeah, v0 dot Ryan domain. Okay. Now after that, host name again. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You see already changed. Yeah. v0 Ryan domain. It's here to use the command line, right? Okay. So the command line to change is the host name CTL. After that, follow by the set the host name. Then after that, new host name. Yep. Okay, you can also put insert hostname. Yeah. Okay. So this. Okay. Uh, let's do here. This one is a V1. Okay. SU. hostname ctl, set the hostname, then v1 Ryan domain. Okay, then hostname again. Okay, good. Yeah. So if you want, then you can just reboot. Yeah. If not, then you can just leave it.
It's okay to select here Red Hat 64. Okay, and then click next. Now in here, the memory size which is given here is 512 megabyte. But I have, according to the memory available on your system, you can always increase it. So
Okay, yeah, good. So do the same thing with the v3. Yeah. Okay, after that we're going to explore the networking. Then I change the different virtual machine, check the IP address. Then after that, which virtual machine can connect to the internet, which one cannot. Go to the setting. If you want, set the network adapter to bridge and start the VM. Yeah, what does the bridge mode mean? Yeah, so remember we already learned about that just now. Yeah, how should you configure IP address inside the VM? Okay, document the new IP address, gateway, and the DNS. Okay, so you need to assign the different IP address. Yeah, either using the DHCP or using uh, the what's that? The static IP. Yeah. Okay, special for the tree, yeah, version 3 is the v3, the virtual machine 3 is using the start v3 and set up host only, yeah. Put it up. Okay, v3, yeah. Let's look at the v3. V3 is custom. Go to v2, host only. Go to the v3 and then host only as well. Put up, yeah. So limitation, the virtual machine can only connect to the host and the uh, other VM. Yeah, so net the serve script. Yeah, need to add the what's that, the gateway. Yeah, must add the routing. Okay, at this moment, Jennifer, no need. Yeah, at this moment, no need. But I'm trying to get this. Yeah, if I can get this script, then I will give you, and you can do that. Yeah, but in the meantime, no need. Hmm. Yeah, so certain thing we need to customize, but this script no need to do it now because we don't have a. Okay, I think the recording is a bit long already. I will stop first, yeah. Then we break to the other file, so not too big.